Colorectal cancer is obviously something that nobody wants to get diagnosed, but the earlier you can get it diagnosed, the more options you have, and it's something that Memorial Health is looking to help with. And joining us right now is Naomi Wands with Memorial Health to talk about free colorectal cancer screening kits that are going to be made available. Naomi, thanks for taking time with us this morning on Springfield's Morning News. I'm Greg Bishop on 92.7 WMAY, Springfield's News and Talk. And in the Springfield area, Naomi, people are going to be able to go to a drive-up clinic of sorts and get these screening kits. Give us all the things we need to know about this. Good morning.
Good morning, Greg. So sure, we're offering a couple opportunities for people to be able to pick up the fecal immunochemical test kit. So that's a FIT kit. And the first one is going to be at Memorial Drive-Thru Lab on 320 East Carpenter Street, August the 18th from 5 to 7 p.m. And then we'll have an additional drive-up clinic at Simmons Cancer Institute at 315 West Carpenter Street on August the 25th from 5 to 7 p.m.
So
we're doing these after work.
Who should be the ones that come up and get these free kits?
So the recommendations for colon cancer screening were changed recently to age 45 and up. So they were age 50. They've lowered that age number because we've seen more colorectal cancer cases in younger people. So age 45 and up, never been screened especially. This is important to start your screening for colorectal cancer. Family history, if you know somebody who is a first-degree relative, so brother, sister, mother, father, son, daughter, who have colon cancer, then definitely you need to be screened. Other risk factors include being overweight and heavy alcohol use.
So these are just some of the factors and some of the individuals who may need to have that colorectal cancer screening. And this is actually an at-home test. Tell us about that. So, yeah, it's really easy to do. So you can do it in the privacy of your home. You're going to pick up this kit, take it home with you. Basically, you're submitting a stool sample. And what the lab looks for is this occult blood that might be in the stool. So what we do is we make it easy, right? We give you all the instructions, we give you the kit, and there's a mailer in there, so you don't even have to pay postage. Once you've done the test, you seal it up, and you drop it in the mailbox, and it gets sent to Memorial Lab, and then we call you with results. And those results, as I said, opening this up, nobody wants to get that diagnosis, but it's something that the earlier you get that diagnosis, the more options you have. Sure, and I should clarify, too, with this test, so this is just a screening, right? So it's looking for blood in the stool. And so that's the first step. If a person would have blood in the stool, then we're going to need to get them set up with their provider and get further testing. So the gold standard would be a colonoscopy. But this is just a way to start that screening process. So this isn't going to get that diagnosis, and thank you for making that clear. This is just, again, something to advance to the next stages if indeed that's something that the screening ultimately does show. Naomi Wands with Memorial Health. Again, these two different locations. You're going to be distributing these free colorectal cancer screening tests that people can do at the privacy of their own home. Give us the dates and locations again. Sure. Thursday, August 18th, 5 to 7 p.m. at the Memorial Care Drive-Thru Lab at 320 East Carpenter. And then again, Friday, August the 25th, 5 to 7 p.m. at Simmons Cancer Institute, 315 West Carpenter Street. When it comes to some of the other dates you have lined out here, you've got, of course, Thursday, August 4th, colorectal cancer screening kit distribution events being held in Decatur, Jacksonville, Lincoln, Taylorville. WMAY does broadcast out quite a bit, so give us an idea of where else you're going to be with these colorectal cancer screening kits. Right. So Jacksonville Memorial Hospital is also distributing kits 4 to 6 p.m. on Thursday, August the 4th. 9 to 11 a.m. on Friday, August the 5th at 1600 West Walnut. Lincoln Memorial Hospital is going to give them out 9 a.m. to noon on Friday, August the 5th at 200 Stall Hut Drive in Lincoln. Taylorville Memorial Hospital is handing out August the 12th from 9 a.m. to noon at 201 East Pleasant Street in Taylorville. And then Decatur Memorial Hospital is also giving kits out 3:30 to 5 p.m. Thursday, August 11th at Decatur Memorial Cancer Care Center, 210 West McKinley Avenue. And then, again, the two Springfield locations. And all of these are available on our website, memorial.health, under the patient portal news. So they can also find information there. Naomi Wands, thank you so much for taking time with us. And again, plenty of opportunity for listeners, not just in Springfield, but in Decatur, Jacksonville, Lincoln, and Taylorville to be able to get those colorectal cancer screening kits so that you can be ahead of any possible negative effects that colorectal cancer can bring. Get those screenings done if you're 45 and older, if you have a history of cancer in your family, if you have just some kind of, you're looking for peace of mind even. These can assist in that as well. Naomi Wands, thank you so much for taking time with us this morning and sharing with us.
Thanks so much, Greg.
Yep, absolutely. We'll talk soon. It is Springfield's Morning News. I'm Greg Bishop on 92.7.